Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off our password screen lock in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. Of course, we need to know password for it, but let's assume that we know our password. So screen lock, we have password John123. Yes, please. Now, how to change our screen lock or how to remove it? First, excuse me, from the beginning. So screen settings first, then security and privacy, then device lock here, next screen lock. Now we need to enter our password that we have, and now we can of course change our password. We can choose any other type of screen lock, and if you want to remove it completely, we need to choose the first option, and now we do not have any screen locks at all. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.